Hey guys, it's me Eddie, and yesterday was the 4th of July. I see the fireworks at the window yesterday, and there was a lot of fireworks everywhere, every single houses. Yeah, they do that every year. So I'm gonna show you guys the picture that I see fireworks on the 4th of July yesterday.
Long Island's only classic rock.
That's all I have to send my pictures that I see the fireworks on the 4th of July yesterday. I didn't take a lot of pictures yesterday because I don't feel like take a lot of pictures of the fireworks this year 2026, so I'll just take a little bit pictures to see it. Okay, take a little bit picture of the fireworks this year 2026. Yesterday was Independence Day, USA. Happy belated Independence Day, USA, everyone. And yesterday was the 250th anniversary of the United States. United States was founded on July 4th, 1776. And that's all I have to say. This is me, Eddie, sign off.